If you've been using custom GPTs, you are going to love what ChatGPT just came out with. So, you know that before, when GPT-4 was still available, GPTs were using that. So we couldn't use the custom GPTs for that much, right? For a longer period because the GPT-4 was quite expensive, right? So they didn't allow us to use it for longer, even the paid version, because I am, by the way, on the paid version of ChatGPT. I pay $20 per month. So what we can do now is if you go to any custom GPT, you can click on its name here on the left side, on the top left side, and you're going to see model. Now you can actually pick and choose any of the models that ChatGPT has. Now, why is this so good? Obviously, some of these models cost less, so you're going to be able to use the custom GPT for much, much longer, right? So let's choose O4 Mini and let's start the custom GPT and let's see, drop 1 to 3 content ideas. Let's just go with, let's say, how to use AI for social media content creation. And now it's going to be thinking and it's going to ask us about our brand voice. I'm just going to say playful expert. I don't know. I'm just going to copy this. So let's see. Now it's going to give us, it's going to go through its thinking process and it's going to give us hooks. Now, for those of you who are like, what the hell is TOF? So this is basically my hook generator. It's my custom GPT, and you can get it inside the AI content system, which is going to be linked down below. But TOF, it basically means top of funnel. So people who are top of funnel, usually those are the people who just started following you. They don't know you that much or not at all, right? So these are hooks specifically for top of funnel people. Now we could say, please make 5 more, but for middle of funnel, right? And then there's also bottom of funnel. Anyway, you can get all of that in AI content system. As I said, it's going to be linked down below. But you can see it's giving us, with this specific model, all of the hooks. Now I can choose for O, and I can say, now give me 5 more, but for bottom of funnel. And it's going to do that. You see, this is so freaking awesome. I just love it. But by the way, I just tested it out on my phone. So I have a ChatGPT app on my phone, and I wasn't able to choose a different model. So I guess because ChatGPT just came out with this, they're only able to do that on their site. But maybe they're gonna quickly switch that also on the in their app. So let me know if you already have this. Just know I am on the paid version of ChatGPT. So if you have a free version, let me know if you can basically choose a different model, because this is a game changer. This is so freaking awesome. You're going to be able to use custom GPTs for much longer, and they're way more powerful now, right? So yeah, go ahead, check it out, start using this today. And I just want to thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.